This is a demonstration of the basic REST connection manager with Task Factory. So to connect to the basic REST connection manager, we'll drag over a REST source here, open it up, and in the connection manager dropdown, it should be the very first option, new REST connection. This option is for when your REST API needs just a username and password. So here you'll have a spot for username and password. Also, you have an option to use this as a base64 encoded authentication header. This will take your username and password and make an authentication header that will be sent every time the connection is opened. You may want to check this by default, as most APIs do this. You could choose your security protocol, and you have a spot for a base endpoint URL. Say you are connecting to SentryOne API, and the actual documents that you want to pull are SentryOne.com/documents. Here you can put a base endpoint that will be shared across all REST sources or REST destinations. So if we put in www.sentryon.com here, we can put /documents in here. In the Authentication Endpoint, this is if your API also needs an access token. Here you can put in the REST Authentication Endpoint URL. So this will be the token endpoint. Most endpoints that return a token have the parameter token at the end of them. So in our case, it would be SentryOne.com/token. You can choose what your results are returned in. And also you can parse down to that specific token path. Now in our case, most likely it will be access_token. You could even test your connection here, and what you do, you should see a result in this box here. If you have parsed down to the access token, it should show just the access token in this spot. That will be used in a later request, and we'll have a video on that later. You could choose headers, a proxy, and you can even choose to ignore SSL certificate verification and follow redirects. If your API were to redirect your connection, it will follow it. This has been a demonstration of Task Factory. For more information, go to SentryOne.com or you go to our support website at support.sentryon.com.